how you've helped the powerless today. How you say the arm that has no strength, how you've taught wisdom with words of clay. Tell me, Bildad, who whispered through you, whose breath shaped the counsel you claim.